So guys, we're back on this air conditioner train. This caravan. Very quiet, much quieter than Atlanta. The roads were on yesterday. I know what to say. I'm just kidding. No, no, I do conditioners. I'm just trying to get as much filming before my dad's filming. That's our excuse, guys. Here's some rude. Oliver was sniffing. Stamped Octagon series. Cool. Over here, you want to pee on these? You want to pee on these? Good boy. These have square D disconnects. You want to pee on them? Oh, Oliver's looking at the data sheet right there. There's Carrier. I want to say bye to Carrier and the Amana in the roods. We're going to the McKenzie's house. It's just a kind of weird house. Try and get the train running. Oh, the train high efficiency XP1000 is not running right now. But there's a couple on compressor. See what year she's from. She's from 2001, a 4-ton. Her Midwest disconnect. What's in okay? There's her line set. Hold on, guys. Gotta help Oliver out here. Gotta help my little puppy. There we go, guys. Let's go try and get some these carriers and the road up here. I'm towering up to these last houses. I've got to start heading back to my house, guys. I hear Rude and Gibson. There's a fully installed Rude Gibson. Right over there. She is. Good morning. Disconnect. Let's get stamped Octagon. Guys. Stamped Octagon she received. She is. So, if I can get enough photos for a photo mashup, try and do a photo mashup. But people could like a photo mashup. Here we go. Guys, run along with Oliver here. Try and get as many air conditioners in as possible. And all the other. I know what that house has. Carrier with a Rude's running. Ream. Is that a Ream, guys? Yep. I really want to go to that house. That's a big vicious dog. Gonna try and get these up here. That person's there, so on the other side with this house. It never was sold. Belongs to the state. Try and ask them. Checking my tracks, see anything suspicious is on my tail. Oh sweet, I want to ride. The repairman here was here. This house I'll probably go a lot of times. Gonna try and get those 3 houses in. 1, 2, 3 houses. Ollie and me are about to head home. That probably means they're home. Bird. Really, Ollie? Ollie! Over. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Good boy. You get a treat for doing that. The lynxes are back there. Try and grab some footage of the train. It's hard to stop the train. We'll run on by and get some footage of the Amana. And maybe the good man. If they're home, I can ask them for a startup. Same with these people. Just gonna try and get the lynx in the good old Gibson running with good old Jolly Ollie. Oliver, scoop boy. Good old heat pump. Suction line is cold. Someone's been here. I think we'll get the lines. Leadless disconnects. Carpooling scroll. You can see this is a perfect shaped Gibson. I'm going to say bye to that lynx and go through there and onto the house. There's a lot of Elite Series. Ours at the lake is like that. So guys, we're moving on to the next house. And wires. A mirror barrel. My dog. Submarines. No, they're just like plain old Linuxes. I actually get these for my first very short photo myself. And I probably am going to do. Taking a picture. This is a for sale commercial property house. The roof's not right. There goes the train. This is just a normal air conditioner. Guys, not a heat pump. Well then, here's the route. It was running constantly the other day. Now that train's running constantly. Well, say if she comes up. Come on, guys. Let's go. See these two. Here's the American Standard. Here's our Fortune Ream. So, guys, let's go. Oh, we're actually posted today. So we don't want to get busted by the grumpy old man out on this house. So we jump on over this property, guys. That house has New York on it. We're going to just start heading home. There's a special 10-minute episode from Parent and Cody checking out some monsters, New York, some other things. Guys, let's just keep walking. Just keep walking. Just keep walking. walking. Come on now. Just keep walking. Just keep walking. So we'll get these rings running. Very interesting. What, guys? I'm gonna put over down. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna stick this in my pocket so I can jump the fence. Get the road. Nah, guys, actually, they're just plain old things. You see those everywhere. Come on. We'll get some permission from those another time. I need to start heading home. It's getting dark here in Missouri. Springfield, Missouri, guys. So thank you to the viewers who watch us fail and we'll record the train, the lights, and some carriers up the road once we get there. Hold on, just let me get this last shit right here, guys. There's a ring over here. Stamped octagon ring. There's another loud, noisy thing. Stamped octagon ring. Right over there. There's a stamped octagon receiver. We're just going up the road, guys. So if you guys want to visit this place in Springfield, this is a good street that you can film on. Filming is good. This is a good filming street. We're gonna film the trains over here at Nikki's again. 12-minute episode, guys. Very special. Thank you for all you guys who watch. We'll just keep the camera still. Nope, there's a ring. Not that house. Not this house. It's the next house. Hey, try not to get you on camera. I'm just filming. Are you fine if your train goes on YouTube? I'm just making my YouTube video.
Well, it's dark. You probably ought to get home.
Yeah, I'm heading on home. Just gonna film these 2 units back here. Here's one looks, guys. There's Development Signature Series. Try and get her starting up. Oh, busted. I have permission to film the train. XL20i. This grill's on tight. We're heading on home, guys.
Okay? It's dark out.
I know.
Careful crossing the street.
Okay. We're just gonna go through the back way right there. So guys, thank you guys for all watching my YouTube. I know I'm just filming. Okay guys, we're just gonna cut through the ditch right here and get home to my safe spot. I'll get the carrier. We own an air conditioner. I don't know what that house is having done. Here's a Lennox Signature Series. Spring Mountain engine cooling. So that good. Also, here's a root stamped octagon. Alright. Yeah, alright. Watch the film on the roads. These houses, guys. I'll get those. Get that unit tomorrow running. These. Our trains running tomorrow. Try and get a video. This running. Train running. High efficiency XB1000. This train high efficiency XB1000. These stamped octagons. Come on, Ollie. We're just moving as we go, guys. Trying to film. Here's a Tacoma. Here, and here's a Nissan.